Hello, welcome to Math with Mr. Dobrescu to the rescue. Today we are going to look at Dr. Triangle. Dr. Triangle is going to solve all our problems when it comes to integers, multiplying and dividing integers. This is a MD, not a medical doctor, but it could be a medical doctor too, but it works for multiplication and division. So anytime we multiply anything or divide anything, we are going to get the answer because we have Dr. Triangle. Dr. Triangle is going to help us solving all these problems. Let's look at the first problem here. We have -2 times -5. And if we look at Dr. Triangle, we have negative times a negative. Always take care of the signs first. Negative times a negative. Negative times a negative becomes a positive right there. So it's going to be positive. 2 times 5 is 10. Final answer. Positive 10. Let's look at the other problem there. We have +2 times -6. Positive times a negative. Positive times a negative becomes a negative. So it's going to be a negative answer. 2 times 6 is 12. So we got this answer also using Dr. Triangle. Please remember, always use Dr. Triangle when we do multiplication and division. It's going to help us out all the time. Let's look at this problem here. We have -5 times -7. Let's look at Dr. Triangle because Dr. Triangle is going to solve all our problems when it comes to multiplication and division. So we have negative times a negative is going to become a positive. So it's gonna be a positive number there. 5 times 7, 7 times 5, 35. Final answer. Let's look at this problem over here. In this case, we have a division problem. So we have 5 divided by -5. Again, positive divided by a negative. Positive divided by a negative is going to be negative. So the final answer is going to be negative. And 5 divided by 5 is 1. Final answer, -1. Let's look at the other 3 problems. In this case, we have 7 times -2. Again, we have positive times a negative. Positive times a negative is going to be a negative. So negative is going to be the answer. And 7 times 2 is 14. Final answer, -14. And let's look at the other 2 problems. We have +12 divided by -2. Again, we have positive divided by negative. Positive divided by negative is going to be negative. So the final answer is going to be negative. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Final answer, -6. And let's take a look at the last problem here. We have -25 divided by 5. Again, negative divided by a positive is going to be negative. So the final answer is going to be negative. And 25 divided by 5 is 5. -5. So as you see, we solved all these problems using the magical Dr. Triangle. Dr. Triangle is going to solve all your problems in middle school, 7th grade and 8th grade. When you work on those complicated integers and you are having a hard time with the integers, please remember to draw Dr. Triangle at the top of your paper, and then please use Dr. Triangle to help you solve all these problems. Okay? Again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you watch this video several times, and then if you struggle with math, with multiplying and dividing integers, please again, I recommend that you use Dr. Triangle. Goodbye by now.